Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to see how to configure your Wi-Fi adapter with the Kali Linux machine. So what you need to do is first you need to connect your Wi-Fi adapter with the laptop or the PC and then get into the VirtualBox. So inside VirtualBox you will find Kali Linux and just click on Kali Linux and you will find settings. So when you click on settings you will see this pop-up window. So inside this pop-up window you will see this USB tab. So when you click on this USB tab, as you can see that I have connected with Atheros UB91C. So what you need to do is if you are doing it first time, so what it will show you, it will simply show you USB 2.0. So when you click on this particular thing, it will ask for this particular symbol. So when you click on add new USB filter, so select your Wi-Fi adapter. So I am currently using Atheros UB91C, so I will click on this. And after clicking on this, you will see this is done. So when you click on OK, so your Wi-Fi adapter is now configured with the Wi-Fi Kali Linux. So what you're going to do next is simply open your Kali Linux operating system. And after opening Kali Linux operating system to make sure it is working or not, get inside terminal window. You will find this icon here. And the next thing that you are going to do is simply type lsusp and hit enter. So what this command will do? So this lists the devices that are connected to the USB bus. Here you should be able to identify whether your wireless connector is seen by the operating system, and if so, include a short description of the device. So this is how you can see your device is connected with it or not. And the next command that I'm going to use is iw config. So what this command will do, so when you hit enter, so this is used to set and view the parameters of the wireless interface seen by the operating system. So here you are able to bring the interface up and down. So this is how we can see our Wi-Fi adapter is now connected with the Kali Linux or not. So in the upcoming lecture we are going to see how we can use this Wi-Fi adapter for our network penetration testing. Thank you for watching this lecture.